Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to solve question number 8 from the review exercise of unit number 9 today, which is you have to decide whether or not each of the following is an example of the empirical formula. So there are different formats you can use to solve the numerical. First is the simplest one, which is shown on the screen. Second, you can just answer in yes or no, and then along with the heading of reason you can mention the justification why it's not. So first one is Al2Cl6. So empirical formula is the simplest ratio of the number, and it is not simplest because you can divide the smallest value. In this case, which is 2, you can divide it with 6 to get 3. So this is not the simplest form, so it's not the empirical formula, it's basically a molecular formula. Second is Hg2Cl2. So it's also not in the simplest form because it can also cancel each other to get 1, so it's not an empirical formula. NaCl, the formula is in its simplest form, so this is also an empirical formula. You can also call it as molecular one because it's the formula for sodium chloride. Next is part D, C2H6O. The formula again is in its simplest form. It can't be divided any further with the smallest value as it's 1, so it will again give the same answer. So this is an empirical formula. Now that's it for today. In the next lecture we are going to solve question number 9 from the same exercise of unit number 6. So keep watching and subscribe my channel to get the latest updates.